let's go ahead and get started. So I have Cricut Design Space already open. I'm importing the file, Queen. I absolutely love this file. Remember, you can purchase with the link down in my bio. So I'm making this video to show you how easy it is to import it, resize it, and cut it. So as you see, I went on and resized it, making sure that it's going to fit onto my canvas bag, which you'll see later. I'm going to turn it white so that you can see how detailed it is. But have no worries, I'm using HTV to cut this, and it's going to weed very easy. So what I did was I cut some strips of heat transfer vinyl, and I'm going to layer them right next to each other. You can pick whatever colors you like, or you can just choose one color. It's up to you. So I chose these three colors, pink, gray, and white. I'm going to have to size down the white really quickly so it can fit in the way that I want it to. So just bear with me here. I'm just sizing them up. And I think this was about 4.5 inches wide and about 5 inches tall. So I didn't make it too big. But if you're going to use this for like a shirt design, you definitely want to make your image a lot larger than the 4.5 inches that I did. But because this is going on a bag, I didn't need it to be huge. So now I just smoothed them right down. And this is a Cricut mat. It's the purple strong grip, but I've used it many a time, so it's not as strong as it would be fresh out the bag or straight, fresh out the store. So I like to use it, especially for vinyl, because I'm going to weed it on the mat. So I'm going to go ahead and get Cricut started, and it's currently attached via Bluetooth, and you know that because the on button is blue. So if you don't know, if you have a Cricut maker, you can use it via Bluetooth, so you don't have to have the cords attached to your computer. And you can sit your machine, off to the side somewhere if you're working in a small area. So now it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and hit the blinking Cricut button so that we can go ahead and get started. I think it took it about 10 minutes to cut the whole entire design, but I'm not going to let it just play through all of the cutting. We're only going to just see a little bit of it going, and then I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. Let me see what setting. It was on everyday vinyl setting, and I put more pressure because I have not changed this blade in a while. So there was no need for me to change the that's why I did more pressure. Sorry, y'all. That's why I always put more pressure. But you may have a brand new blade and you wouldn't need that, because that can actually cut through your carrier sheet, and you don't want to do that. All right, that's enough rambling. So let's go ahead and start weeding. So as you see here, I'm going to leave it on my mat because it's sticky, and it's just easier for me to weed it right here directly onto the mat. All right, now that everything is weeded out, I'm ready to press it onto my canvas bag. I found this bag a few years ago at Michael's. They may still have them. They were very inexpensive, I believe about $5 at the end of the summer season. So I grabbed a few of them. So that's They have pink, blue, and I think they might have had black. So I really like these bags. They're lightweight and great for the summer. So as you see, I just pieced my design back together. And there could be other ways to press this on. I just chose to do it all at once. Would I do that again? Probably not. I probably would just do one piece at a time. Oops, sorry about that. The phone fell. But we're back. So as you see, I'm just going to press it down because the carrier sheet is sticky. I do advise you use your Teflon sheet because it did, kind of heat it up a little too much, or don't have it as high as I did at 340 for 35 seconds. That was a little excessive, but it turned out perfect. Look at it, y'all. My bag is nice. I love the colors I chose, and it's great for every day. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.